Have you ever stumbled upon a place so strange it feels like the laws of physics just don't apply? From deserts where radios stop working to oceans that swallow ships whole without a trace. Earth is full of places that science can't or won't explain. Today, we're diving into 5 real locations where reality bends, nature breaks its own rules, and answers are still missing. And once you hear about the last one, you might start questioning if our planet is hiding something much bigger. The door to hell, Turkmenistan's eternal fire pit. Imagine standing in front of a massive crater, with flames roaring from its depths, as if the earth itself is breathing fire. That's the door to hell, located in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan. It started in 1971 when Soviet scientists accidentally collapsed an underground gas pocket. To prevent toxic methane from spreading, they set it on fire expecting it to burn out in a few days. That was over 50 years ago. It's still burning. No one knows exactly how or why. The gas field should have been depleted by now, but it just keeps going. Some believe the fire is tapping into a deep, unknown reservoir. Others think the government doesn't even know what's down there anymore. And this isn't the only place where the planet behaves like it's glitching. The zone of silence where radios go dead. In the middle of northern Mexico lies a stretch of desert where technology goes silent. It's called the Zone of Silence. Radios stop working, compasses spin aimlessly, cell signals vanish. Even animals seem to avoid the area. In the 1970s, a U.S. rocket veered off course and crashed directly into the zone, prompting NASA to investigate. Meteorites have fallen here more than anywhere else in the region. Locals report unexplained lights, strange creatures, even tall blonde visitors who vanish without a trace. Scientists claim it's just a magnetic anomaly, but that doesn't explain the compass interference or why the silence itself seems to move. And speaking of dangerous places, let's head to an ocean where entire ships disappear without a single trace. The Devil's Sea, Japan's Bermuda Triangle. Southeast of Japan lies a deadly stretch of ocean known as the Devil's Sea, or the Dragon's Triangle. It's infamous for swallowing ships, planes, and crews without warning. In the 1950s, Japan sent a research vessel with over 30 crew members to study the region. It vanished. No wreckage or distress calls. Some blame undersea volcanoes or sudden rogue waves. But the area is wrapped in legend, tales of dragons rising from the water, or dimensional rifts that pull things out of our reality. What's most chilling? Many of the disappearances mirror those in the Bermuda Triangle, but with less publicity and even fewer answers. While oceans can be wild, what if solid ground started messing with the laws of physics? Magnetic Hill, where gravity reverses. In places like Ladakh in India or Moncton in Canada, there are roads where your car rolls uphill. You park. No engine, no movement. And then slowly the vehicle begins to move against gravity. Locals call it a sacred force. Tourists call it a fun illusion. Scientists call it a trick of perspective. But here's the catch. Some tests have shown that the elevation actually increases along the path of motion, meaning something else might be going on. Electromagnetic interference? Localized gravitational anomalies? Or could it be that we're only seeing the surface of something deeper? Because when we start connecting these places, it begins to feel like Earth isn't just a ball of rock spinning in space. It's alive. It reacts, it hides things, it glitches. Places where fire never dies. Zones where signals vanish. Seas that erase reality. And roads that defy the force that holds us down. Hessdalen Lights, Norway's unsolved sky phenomenon. In a quiet valley in central Norway, strange lights have been dancing across the sky since the 1930s. They appear in pulses, orbs, or streaks, sometimes moving intelligently, other times hovering for minutes. They've been witnessed by thousands, photographed, filmed, and studied, but no one knows what causes them. Some scientists suggest rare plasma fields. Others believe it's a natural battery created by the geology of the valley. But here's the twist. The lights sometimes respond to human presence. And if a remote Norwegian valley can produce sky anomalies like this, what could be happening beneath the most mysterious lake on the planet? Lake Vostok, the alien world beneath Antarctica. Hidden under 2 miles of ice, Lake Vostok is one of the largest subglacial lakes in the world, and it's been completely sealed off from the surface for over 15 million years. When scientists drilled into it, they found life. Bacteria that doesn't match anything known on Earth. Strange magnetic readings and instruments that stopped working when they got too deep. Some believe it's a preserved alien ecosystem. Others say there's a massive metallic object buried beneath it, large enough to disturb magnetic fields. And if you think that sounds far-fetched, wait until you see a forest that's been burning underground for over 6,000 years. The Burning Mountain, Australia's eternal fire. Deep under a hill in New South Wales, Australia, a fire has been burning. Not for years or decades, but for thousands of years. It's called Mount Wingan, or simply the Burning Mountain. The fire moves underground, slowly consuming a coal seam and releasing heat and smoke through cracks in the earth. Scientists can't explain how it started or how it's lasted this long without running out of fuel. Some say it's natural combustion. Others believe it may have been intentionally ignited by ancient humans, long before we even had a word for fire control. And the longer it burns, the more it challenges what we thought we knew about Earth's natural limits. Are they just coincidences? Rare geological phenomena? Or are these clues pieces of a global puzzle that we haven't yet put together? If this made you question even a little bit of what we know about our world, you'll want to keep digging, because this goes way deeper. Subscribe to CurioSphere for more mysteries that science can't explain. You won't see the world the same way again.